It's time for the X-Game console. Let's test out some Game Boy games. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector! Welcome back to a new video, people, and today's video we are going to talk about the GBA game on the X-Game console. We're going to do a little bit of an extended testing because I wanted to know, I wanted to show you, does it even work properly? Alright, the first game we are going to try out is Crash Bandicoot Entrance, and I've got a reason for this because I've noticed this game is running quite well on every system I've tested. Handhelds, X-Game, doesn't matter, it runs the game good. So, let's skip the blah blah blah. Wow, it looks freaking pixelated. But yeah, the music sounds great, frame rate is good. Love Crash Bandicoot. Kaboom. So yeah, this game seems to be running just fine. Let's go to the next game. Sounds good. That's just great. Here I come! Yeah, man, I can really enjoy the soundtracks. Why can't I just... Oh, man, old school. Of course I'm going to try out the Mario Kart of the GBA, but I know for sure that the sound is really fucked up. Yeah, that is the main problem of this thing. And the reason why I'm testing this one out, I wanted to check out if the graphical part is great. I know the sounds are horrible. That's on the Papka, or there are some handhelds that got exactly the same problem, so maybe they are also running the same software. Oh man. Can you not shut down this freaking sound because it's horrible? Oei. Oh, I got the red shield. The frame rate is just great. It's the sound that is horrible. And the D-pad of the controllers plays not bad at all. Oh, somebody gonna get it. Of course I'm getting the shield. Right, one player. That's classic. Oh, nice. Those remakes are just awesome. Alright, this one's cool. The sound effects are funny. Let's try out the Kirby game. Yeah, it seems to run just fine. Ooh. I just still choose the knuckles this time. Oh, he can really bash somebody. That's cool. How can I do my spinning move? Okay, that was weird. Ha! What the hell is this? Woo! Sure you can. I must say I never played the game. Oh, just crap, I just choose story mode. Yeah, just as Goku. But it seems to be that this game is running just fine. The frame rate is good, it doesn't have any stream or screen staring at all. The sound is great, so really cool. So, alright. We're going to fight or are just going to talk? What otherwise I'm going to do? Play another game. Alright, nice. Let's go. Fight. Oh, we can charge. Cool. The sound effects are just great of the characters. Alright, I'm just screwed now. Ow. I'm just gonna beat you up, Vegeta. I'm just gonna beat you up. Ooh, Tekken Advance. Just play a little bit of arcade. No, Hihachi, so I'm just going to choose Jin. Still cool that they released these games on the Game Boy Advance. I think Game Boy Advance was one of the better Game Boys. Why? Because they released so freaking many good games. And the graphical part was amazing. So for the final conclusion, people, if you look at the GBA games, the X game overall is not that great, but I can tell you, better said, if you watch this video full, you see the Mario Kart game got a weird sound glitch issue. That is an issue that almost every system from China has. There are some handhelds that doesn't have this problem. Overall, it's not bad at all. I must say, I was not expecting very much of it, but if you look at the games, a lot of games are running just fine and are just playable in this thing. So yeah, that goes to that's the conclusion of this video, and yeah, I hope you really enjoyed it. If you have any questions, you can also leave it in the comments. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the little bell, because you're going to get notified. And again, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.